everybody, I'm back again. Same day, just a different time. I'm going to do another video. I gotta do a couple today. So I've done one, now I'm gonna do a funnel pour. So I've changed my funnel idea. So I had a regular funnel before. Where did I put it now? Just a regular funnel that I used before. So now I found it a little tricky to get put something on the hole and get it to go. So I cut a salad dressing bottle, which has a lid that opens up with the hole. So I can close the lid, tip it like this, cut the bottom off. I'm going to sit it in this cup, fill it with paint, and then I'll just pour it onto my canvas. So I'll tip you down and we'll see what's going on. Just want to make sure this is in properly. All right, now you still there? Yeah. So I'm going to push this ahead a bit. All right, so it's a 10 by 10 canvas, and I'll go over the paints that I'm using. So I don't know if you can see this. I'll push this ahead a little bit. It's wet underneath, so it's sticking. I guess you can't see it. Anyway, I'll tip it up a bit. All right, maybe you can see it better now. Okay, let's just get started. So I've got white, Artist Loft, and I'm going to put some in first. And it's mixed half and half with Floetrol. I've got Cobalt Blue. You might be able to see it going in. I think I'll just hold it until I'm ready. You can probably see it better. Okay, so far white, Cobalt Blue, Artist Loft. Got some, oh, I know what I forgot to do. Silly me. I was going to put some coconut milk in just one or two colors. So I'm going to put it in the turquoise. I'm just going to put in maybe 2 drops. Give it a stir. There's the consistency. And I'll put a couple in the, I also have a dark green that I'm going to try and put in too, so I'll put one in there. There, just actually 2 in there. This is a dark hooker's green that I added white to. So we have a few choices of colors here. All right, so white, cobalt blue. I'm going to put some turquoise in now. Some of this dark green. a little bit more white. I like to put some white in the middle in between. Purple. Some more blue. Turquoise. And this dark green. You can see in there. It's about up to here so far. Some more purple. Wipe my hands off. Some white. A little bit more blue. I'll pour the rest of this dark green in. I'm going to set this in this glass because I can't. I want to scrape the rest of this green paint out to get it all. Try not to waste it. All right, so that's that. I wonder if this is enough. A little more white. Rest of the turquoise. These colors should look nice together. Some more purple. I'm going to use it all. This is a metallic purple. Artist Loft. I think it's called Violet. Violet and light turquoise, white, cobalt blue. Alright, now some more white I think, and then I think I'm good. I hope it's not too much white. Anyway, the last time I did a lot of white, it came out excellent. So I'm going to push it down more. I think you can see it all now. So I've got all my paints mixed in here. The label kind of hides it all, but and all I have to do is open this up and the magic begins. Let me just clean my fingers. So okay. And then I can go back and check my dinner. I think I'm going to stand up. Open this up slowly and just, oh, what happened? Oh It came out the other end. Oh, what an idiot I am. How did that happen? Oh, I tipped it back too far. Oh, guess I should have a taller container. Look at that. I'm going to have to pour that on there. Oh, look at that. Okay, this is an accident. You know what I'm going to do? Pick this up. Put this back down. Whoa. There's going to be a big mess here. Start to tip it. Just pour this on. Oh, I guess this funnel pour turned into something totally different. Okay. All right, let's get this back on here. This over here. You guys think I'm crazy, but now I can just move the paint. Let's go this way. Go back down this way. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. I wish that was on here. These colors, oh, they're to die for. Oh, I have to do this again. All right, well, let's just keep moving this around. I wish I could transfer that onto here. Oh. Definitely had enough paint, even for what spilled off. Let this come down here. Try and bring this back a bit. It's a little thick right there. Well, you never know what's going to happen, do you? Well, aren't they pretty? Very pretty. I wish I could scrape some of this. Dab have some on this corner. Oh, I like how the green blended in there. I'm glad I added that. Let's see if I can get my heat gun on there. That's quite enough cells, I think. Well, I think it came out really pretty considering what happened. Oh. Anyway, thanks for watching. Next time I won't let it fall out the bottle. There's still some paint in there. I should do another one. All right, thanks for watching. I'm gonna take this glove off and come back soon. Let me see if I can get you a close-up. Awesome, awesome. Bye-bye. Okay, it's Carol, and I'm downstairs checking out my dried canvas. Let's take a look. It dried really good. I'll hold it up for you. Has a bit of a shine to it, but I will varnish this. I love the colors. I love the cells. I just really like how it came out. Even though I spilled some of it, we recovered. Anyway, it's pretty good. I love it. So thanks for watching. Come back soon to Carol's Art Room. Bye-bye.